Welcome to this beautiful home on Coview in the coveted gated community of Lake Pointe at Toho. This gorgeous 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath has a newly screened in pool enclosure, and it has an amazing open floor plan. You're gonna love it. We are close to the airport, Lake Nona, downtown St. Cloud. Let's take a look.
Wow, what an incredible home. I want to thank you for joining us on this tour. I am Trevor Snyder, that was Jessica Snyder. We are a husband and wife team with the locals group at LPT Realty, and if you'd like your personal tour, please contact us anytime and we'll catch you on the next video.